As winter weather arrives, it is important to get your pond ready for the season. Take the following steps to keep your fish healthy, your water clean and clear, and your pond looking beautiful. Before winter conditions begin, cut back marginal plants and water lilies. Remove as much plant material as possible to prevent excess debris from decaying in the pond over the winter. Over the course of the season, ponds begin to accumulate leaves and other organic debris. Use a pond skimmer net to remove as much existing organic debris as possible. We recommend using the Aquascape submersible pond thermometer to monitor water temperature throughout the season. When the water temperature drops below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, stop feeding your fish, as they will soon go into hibernation. Undigested food in the fish can lead to future health issues, so it is important to stop feeding at this time. Add Aquascape cold water beneficial bacteria throughout the winter to help provide cleaner water conditions and reduce spring maintenance. Treat twice weekly for 2 weeks, then once per week. Our formulation of beneficial bacteria contains bacteria strains specifically selected for their ability to work in colder water temperatures. In areas that experience freezing conditions that generate ice and snow, you may choose between running the waterfall pump or shutting it down for the season. Running the waterfall through the winter season provides beautiful ice formations around the falls and stream. However, this method may require additional maintenance throughout the winter. When running the pump through winter seasons, check the waterfall or stream regularly to ensure no ice dams have formed and that the pump has continuous access to water. If the water level drops, add water to the skimmer filter to top it off. If you decide not to run the waterfall through the winter, unplug the pond pump from the power source and disconnect the pump with the check valve or plumbing assembly. To maximize the lifespan of your pump, we recommend cleaning the pump and internal assembly prior to winter storage. Use Aquascape Pump Cleaner Maintenance Solution to clean stubborn debris or scale buildup. Once clean, store the pump and plumbing assembly in a dry, frost-free location. We also recommend removing and rinsing all filter material from the biofalls and skimmer filter. Store the filter media in a dry, frost-free location to maximize the lifespan of the filter material. If you have fish in the pond, you need to ensure a hole is always kept in the surface of the ice to allow for proper gas exchange. A hole can be maintained with the use of an Aquascape 300-watt pond de-icer or Aquaforce pond pump positioned near the surface of the water. In locations with long periods of extremely cold temperatures, add the 300-watt pond de-icer in combination with an Aquaforce pump. Pond aerators can be used in place of the Aquaforce pump when placed just below the surface of the water. If you have existing pond aeration, move the diffusers from the bottom of the pond to up to 12 inches from the surface of the water to avoid disrupting the thermocline. When you follow these recommendations, winter pond maintenance is quick, easy, and keeps your fish healthy, your water clean and clear, and your pond looking beautiful. At Aquascape, your paradise is our passion. We connect people to water the way nature intended and have been creating and field testing water features for over 25 years to provide you with the most reliable products at the best value.